So the big question in fashion right now is, are skinny jeans coming back into style? And the answer is yes, because first off, everything is cyclical. Everything has its cycle, everything comes back round, so it was ultimately inevitable. Secondly, the telltale is that in the last couple years, we've started to see designers bringing the skinny jean back onto the runway. So ultimately, the mainstream is to follow usually about a year or two later. And if you've been following me for a while, you know that I feel like skinny jeans never went out of style, that I feel like skinny jeans are a classic pair of jeans. However, I will admit that for some reason, out of all the jeans out there, skinny jeans seem to have the biggest extreme, meaning you either love skinny jeans or you hate skinny jeans. I guess the big question for me is, why do people hate skinny jeans? Is it the shape? Now, I love the shape, but we'll get to that later. But I had to look at it in a way of like, well, what would somebody hate about the shape? And I can relate to this, especially for when I used to have like the stretch denim, you know, the super tight fitting denim. I am somebody that when I do gain weight, the first place that I gain weight is my thighs. So I will say from experience, when I would put on the tight fitting skinny jean, I felt like it sort of accentuated my thighs, like made my thighs look even bigger. Of course, that's like a shallow perspective, but that was just, you know, that was how I felt. I felt like it was highlighting an insecure part of my body. And I think that I could see where other people would feel that way too. If you were somebody that was maybe a bit curvy and didn't want to accentuate your curves, I could also kind of see that being an issue, but I don't know. Apparently I'm a rectangular body shape and I shouldn't even be wearing skinny jeans. So there's that. So what else could it be? Lack of volume?
Here I go again. I've lost my head in the clouds. Lonely covers my mouth and I'm waiting. You like to play pretend and let your words fall out.
So I have heard people say that when they wear skinny jeans, it sort of makes them feel top heavy because of that, you know, tapering and that slimness. I think the other reason is that some people find it difficult to pair shoes with it, with the skinny jeans, for the fact that it definitely accentuates the shoe, or sort of puts the shoe on, you know, show, because there's no volume or length or anything sort of camouflaging it.
And let your words fall out, but I'm wiser now and you're changing. And I will play your games, can't stop myself from caving. You got me wondering if I'm the one that's breaking. So won't you hear me out, don't stop yourself, just stay. I know you know that you've been driving me insane.
So skinny jeans have been around for a very long time. It really came about in the 1950s as sort of like a rebellious silhouette to like the norm of like the straight fit, you know, classic fit. And then of course continued to progress over time, but really it became very mainstream in the 80s. It was, you know, obviously like a very prevalent thing in the 80s. And then the 90s arrived, and for some reason it was like wiped out. I don't even know if I was that aware of skinny jeans and their existence for like the first 2 decades of my life. I can genuinely remember the moment that skinny jeans were introduced into my life. I was working as an in-house sales assistant for Quicksilver. Every sort of season, we got the line sheet, which was all of the product, the new product that was coming out in like, we were always like 2 or 3 seasons ahead of what was out in stores. And you would get these like little CAD images, so like digital images of the product, or sometimes you would get photos. And there it was, outline of skinny jeans. And I remember like saying out loud to like my coworkers as we're all going through, you know, this was back in when you actually got physical formed things, like things that were in physical form that you actually had to like turn pages for. And I remember saying like, I freaking fuse to wear these carrot pants. That's what I was calling them, carrot pants. And, you know, I was massively into flares at that point. Low-rise flares were my jam. Cut to like a year or 2 later, and basically skinny jeans took over my wardrobe, and I wore nothing other than skinny jeans for many years.
Tell me, do you like it, boy, when I move like that? You don't have to be so shy. Don't hold it back. You know that I want it, boy, when you look like that. I wish I could know your mind. Why are you holding back?
But this brings me to why I really think they are the jeans that have the biggest range. So first off, the shape. The skinny jean, because of its shape, really cuts through bagginess. It cuts through length. It is fun to contrast it with different shapes. You can make it more sexy. You can make it more feminine. All the way to you can make it more boyish, more masculine, a little bit more edgy, or a little bit more rebellious.
Why are you holding back? Be set up, be set up, be set up.
It is ultimately one of the pair of jeans that looks good with any sort of shoe. There's a lot of shoes out there that you could argue can't be worn with wide leg pants or jeans, or baggy pants or jeans. Even straight fit has its sort of limitations when it comes to shoes. However, with a skinny pair of jeans, I mean, the options are endless. The only pair of jeans that you can actually wear with knee-high boots or over-the-knee boots.
When I move like that, you don't have to be so shy. Don't hold it back. You know that I want it, boy. When you look like that, I wish I could know your mind. Why are you holding back? Tell me, do you like it, boy? When I move like that, you don't have to be so shy. Don't hold
I think that skinny jean is evolving. We, you know, kind of went from like a tapered cigarette fit to like, you know, the 2015 era of like the super skin tight, stretch sort of skinny jean, and now sort of coming back around to a more relaxed, more tapered fit, you know, slim fit, cigarette fit again. But I think it again is subjective too, because to some people, you know, that super skin tight, you know, skinny jean is still extremely important to their wardrobe. So I think the answer to whether or not, you know, it's coming back into style, or the reason why people hate the skinny jean, is really, I don't really care.